So in this project we are going to power factor Z85. So the power factor value of this load, so as you can see this, and automatically is the capacitor got switched on and the power factor compensated to 0.93 and it will settle over there. So if you want to change the load from here, you need to switch off the circuit and on again, or else just restart the Arduino Uno. So I'm connecting the inductor and restart that. For every load changing, you need to restart the Arduino, so to get the proper output from here. So based on the power fluctuations between the current and voltage waveform, so we are going to get the power factor value after compensating. So I need to restart the system again and we'll change the load. So we'll use a 60 watts bulb, and now only the resistive load R is present, and then just restart the Arduino Uno board. So while we changing the load between these, the capacitor is already charged, so then it will take it as a load of R plus C. So then we need to restart the system frequently, or else you can switch off the system and switch on after some time. Just I'm going to switching off the main power supply, then the capacitors will discharge slowly, and then after you can see now it's going the power factor fluctuations. So that's why. So we need to off the both systems and on the load. So let us see that. Right, it is showing the proper way, but there are also something fluctuations. It has to settle down. You should give them more time to settle this Arduino and the capacitor discharging time. So we'll wait for some more time. Right. So we should give at least of 5 to 10, and based on the load switching on time, we can give them more time also, not a problem. So now it's 0.96. Yeah, whenever the capacitor getting switched on, so from the capacitor and the relays will give the back EMF. So then this particular Arduino will on and off based on the harmonics getting from the capacitor or inductor and the relay. So because the Arduino doesn't have the inbuilt harmonic neutralizer one, so then automatically it will be restarting. Then nothing problem will occur, just you need to restart the system. Then now the load is R. Okay, and now I'm going to add the inductor, and you'll get the power factor value, and after some time, so switching on the capacitors, as Arduino is getting restarting one. So switch off this, hold it for some time and on. Yeah, so it's getting restarting again. Because now the load is very heavy now. Right, so now it is settled down. It will take more time. Why? Because the more harmonics are back EMF generated from the relay and the capacitors, they are getting disturbance. So now it is settled down and it will get the stabilized one. Right, thank you for watching demo. And before closing the video, let me explain the components wise explanation. So here in this project we are using Arduino Uno board, and these two transformers are this is going to be the potential transformer and this is a current transformer, and these two PCBs to measure the phase angle from the potential transformer and the current transformer. This is the resistive load purpose, and this is inductor. We give the connection, these two are in series, and the switch and the inductor in parallel. So whenever switching on this one, the short circuits, nothing but this closed loop, and then this will be isolated, and when we switch off this one, this will be connection between in series with the bulb, and these four capacitors through these four relays in connected parallel with these two loads. And coming to the Arduino Uno, we are going to use a Uno board with a Atmega 328 microcontroller and a 16:2 LCD model. So let us explain you the connections. Current transformer, voltage transformer given and A0 and A1, and LCD given to the 2 to 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 pins given to the 4 relay board. And the capacitor values are 2.2 microfarad, 230 volts, and this one is black capacitor is 4.3 microfarad, 230 volts. So these two loads along with the 4 different power factors will get that. One thing is resistive load, next thing is resistive plus inductor, and as it is a CFL with 0.85 power factor, and next thing is CFL plus inductor. You will get the 4 different kind of power factors, and whenever the power factor current waveform leads and lags, automatically this microcontroller, when the lags, this Arduino Uno board will switch on the relay, and then the the current waveform will come into the leading, and then the phase difference will be the phase difference between the voltage waveform and current waveform will comes down to near to 0. Then cos 0 is a power factor value, then you will get the near to 1, maybe 0.9 to 0.1, wherever the phase angle will be the difference, right? Thank you for watching demo.